What's up, everybody? It's me, BBQBoy_VR, and I'm back with another episode of Bait. I'm here with Jim Bob. So, I don't really know our goal for today, but let's check our missions and see what we have. Okay, so we need catch a 3-star zebra tuna at Ocean Lake. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're here at Ocean Lake now, and we have to catch a zebra tuna. Let's just get into it. So, one thing that I found really funny was some dude in my comment section put pros and cons, which, you know, he wasn't being mean or anything, so it was pretty cool though. So he gave me some tips and all that. So you know. And he also said that one day I might make it and be famous, but that's not really my goal to be famous. It's you know, I do this for fun, and I don't really do it to be famous and all that, because this isn't one thing that I'm going to do full time when I grow up. I'm going to join the military and be a Navy SEAL. But I actually do love fishing in real life. One time I caught a big old catfish. We cooked it up, we ate it, we fried it. It was very cool. Okay, zebra tuna.
One eternity later.
Zebras, how many stars is it? Bet. That's our, like, was that our second fish we caught, and we already got it? Okay. Why did she look like that? She looks like a reverse Teletubby. Gingers have souls!
Gingers have souls!
Osmer's Maze? I don't know how to pronounce that. Bait shop. And we have to talk to her too. So let's go to do that.
Namaste. Welcome to my mobile surf and bait shop.
Why does she look like that?
You're here for the license, right? And you brought the fish.
Okay.
Great.
Yeah, I already know she gets high in here. Catch 5 cow koi in Cherry Falls. I don't know what that is either, so let's go to Cherry Falls. Oh, this is cool. Perfect cast. So I don't know what this thing looks like. I barely know how to pronounce the name, so I need to upgrade my lure, because just like Jim Bob said, it can help me not snap the line or whatever. I think this is it. The cow thing, I need to catch 5 of these, so that's 1 out of 5. Let's go ahead and let's catch the rest. A couple minutes ago I was talking about how it's not really my goal to be famous, but you know, it's not my goal at all, because to be honest, fame is something that destroys a lot of people because it gets to their head. But if I was famous, you know, that would never happen to me. I'm strong mentally, yeah, because I miss him for real. But like, I don't think that anybody would mind being famous, you know. It's just something that, like, all that means is that a lot of people know you. But the pay is good, I guess. The pay is good, you know. To be honest, you know, being famous would be only good for me, because, like, for the pay. But, you know, me making $300,000 to $500,000 a year being a Navy SEAL, you know, that's not bad at all. This thing. That copper top eel. And I would be more than happy to do a collab with someone, you know, any collab, just like me and Bob, because Bob was like, he just seen my video on TikTok and he was like, hey, can we do a collab? I was like, for sure. And now me and Bob are, you know, good friends. Me and him made some good videos, like Gorilla Tag with Monsters. and Downshot VR, which I just posted like, you know, today. I'm recording this video at like 3 a.m. by the way, so, you know. Okay, that's another cow one, I think. I think the most annoying part is like whenever you have them like literally like in your reach and they just start going everywhere. Oh, that's another annoying part where you try to grab the fish and it goes all the way around. Is that almost 2 stars? Hey, it's 200. It's 250. You know, I'll take it. I've actually been doing YouTube since I was like 7, but you know, none of those accounts got even 0 views. I think one my brother made us do was an ice bucket challenge, which that got like, I don't know, 100 views at most, like 101. I was talking about FGTV sponsored me, which at that time I didn't even know what a sponsor was. A sponsor, you know, a sponsor is basically just people who like give you money to, you know, advertise their website or game, just like Raid Shadow Legends with, which, you know, the boys sponsored that, Mr. B sponsored that. A lot of people sponsored, you know, Raid Shadow Legends, which, you know, I personally haven't played the game, and I don't know if I even will. What's that? Nemo! How does this have so much drag on it? It's so little, bro. Watch it be like 20 pounds. This is like not even a pound. How is this little thing 3 pounds? Hey, it's 400 though. I'm taking that. Sparkling trout, okay. 300, not that bad. I get that this is like a boring series that I can make, but, you know, again, I'm just doing it for fun. Perfect. Yes, sir. Cow koi. 5. So now I gotta go over here, and now I gotta go back to that girl, whatever. Man, we got a lot of them. So, golden crackerfish, autumn char, cow koi, sparkling trout, chili one, copper eel. Pretty cool. So now we gotta go talk to that lady. Now we need to catch 1 Vincent Tribe Perch in Cherry Falls. I don't know what that is, but let's go. I believe that there is a cave map on here. It's like a cave area where you have to catch stuff. Perfect. What is that? Is that a chili one? Yeah. Come here, Mr. Chili. Oh. I want to go on top of there. Be fun. Perfect. See that, baby. Let's see what I got. Is that the fish I'm looking for? Nah, it's the cow koi. So it's good. It's worth a bit of money. It's like, was it 250, 350? I don't want this video to be too long either, because I edit everything on my phone on CapCut. Perfect. Okay. Sparkly. better be it. I'm thinking because how fast to move is the chili one, but no telling. Yeah, I knew it. That has to be it right there. That has to be it. No doubt about it. Camo carp. What is a camo carp? You know what? Or it better not be a Calcor either. A Calcoi? Can't tell. Let me get that. What is that? Yes. 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 Catch 3 pieces of trash in Cherry Falls. Okay. That would have been good for I was just doing it. So that's gonna be my last mission, and I'm gonna end the video off. Yay, is that a piece of trash? Better be. It's a boot. What a boot. That guy, dude. Yeah. Give me another piece of trash. Need it. How much are these things worth again? 500. Ooh, I do need you. Okay. Juicy cash. Did I already talk about me editing videos on the bus one day? Cause like, I used to like, I took a break because of school. It was hard for me to record and all that. And basically, it's like, it was very, very hard to do that because I was literally editing videos in class on the bus, and it wasn't very fun doing that. So, but I'm gonna still try to do it, you know, this year. See what I can do. It's not worth that much. It's only 300. I mean, it's still good though. I'm not complaining about 300. Never thought I would be sitting at a lake begging for trash. It's not trash. Calcoi? Yeah. I don't need it anyways. Right there. Better be a piece of trash, dude. Yes. I never thought I'd be excited over a leather boot. Wait, that means that we have a pair now. Perfect. Go. We gotta talk to that girl. Oh, okay. So where's all the trash that we caught? That's what I was missing. You gotta go talk to her now. Okay, so secret sanctuary. Okay, this is very, very cool, but sadly I'm going to end the video off right now. And you know, next episode we'll go to the secret sanctuary again, and we're gonna fish or whatever. Let's see our mission though. We have to catch a blind haddock. Haddock, and secret sanctuary. I don't know how to pronounce these names because I have trouble pronouncing stuff. But hopefully, guys enjoyed the video. God bless. Have a wonderful day. and bye.